At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a bingo hall business can be an exciting venture, combining elements of entertainment, socializing, and potential profitability. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Research and planning. Understand the market demand for bingo in your area. Consider factors such as demographics, competition, and potential customer base. Conduct thorough market research to identify the target audience and their preferences. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your goals, target market, marketing strategies, financial projections, and operational plan. 2. Legal and regulatory compliance. Check local zoning laws and regulations to ensure that operating a bingo hall is permitted in your chosen location. Obtain the necessary permits and licenses required to operate a gambling establishment. This may include gaming licenses, business permits, and health department approvals. 3. Location. Choose a suitable location for your bingo hall. Look for areas with high foot traffic, ample parking space, and easy accessibility for your target audience. Consider factors such as proximity to residential areas, community centers, or senior living facilities, as these demographics often enjoy playing bingo. 4. Facility setup. Design the layout of your bingo hall to maximize space and accommodate a large number of players comfortably. Invest in quality bingo equipment, including bingo machines, caller stands, bingo balls, and dabbers. Create a welcoming and comfortable environment with appropriate lighting, seating, and amenities such as restrooms and concessions. 5. Marketing and promotion. Develop a marketing strategy to attract players to your bingo hall. Utilize a mix of traditional advertising methods, such as flyers, posters, and newspaper ads, and digital marketing channels, such as social media, email newsletters, and a website. Offer promotions, special events, and loyalty programs to incentivize repeat visits and attract new customers. Partner with local organizations, charities, and community groups to host fundraising bingo events, which can help raise awareness and generate goodwill for your business. 6. Staffing. Hire experienced staff to manage day-to-day operations, including bingo callers, floor managers, cashiers, and cleaning personnel. Provide comprehensive training to ensure that all staff members are familiar with the rules and procedures of bingo, as well as customer service best practices. 7. Financial management. Set up a reliable payment processing system to handle cash transactions and ticket sales. Implement robust accounting and financial management practices to track revenue, expenses, and profitability accurately. Monitor and adjust your pricing strategy based on market demand and competitor offerings. 8. Customer experience. Focus on providing exceptional customer service to enhance the overall bingo experience for your players. Listen to feedback from customers and continuously seek opportunities for improvement to keep them coming back. 9. Safety and security. Implement security measures to ensure the safety of your patrons and staff, including surveillance cameras, security personnel, and emergency procedures. Adhere to responsible gambling practices and promote a safe and responsible gaming environment. 10. Adaptation and growth. Stay informed about industry trends and adapt your business strategies accordingly to remain competitive. Explore opportunities for diversification, such as hosting other gaming events or offering additional entertainment options to attract a broader audience. Starting a bingo hall business requires careful planning, attention to detail, and a commitment to providing an enjoyable and memorable experience for your customers. By following these steps and staying focused on your goals, you can build a successful and profitable venture in the gaming industry. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.